everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Welcome to Ikea Restaurant. The first and the largest Ikea in the world is here in Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City, Manila, Philippines. This is so cool, ha? To all Ikea food fans out there, let me show you the food and menu and some of my favorite Ikea food. And let's taste it right now. Pero syempre, tour muna tayo dito sa restaurant. Let me show you the full restaurant. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and also like this video. And also don't forget my full vlog about the Ikea furniture shop. It's a big restaurant and a lot of space for diners. Only fully vaccinated customers lang ang pinapapasok sa restaurant. And the security will check your vaccination card. So, kailangan talaga dala mo yung vaccination card mo. You need also to queue up to get your trolley and your tray. Organize naman ang setup ng restaurant kung saan ka order. And there's a lot of screen to view the menu and the price. Makakakain ako ulit ng Ikea Food dito sa Philippines. Before, nakakakain ako ng Ikea Food sa Sweden, Hong Kong, and China, Shanghai. Now, finally, nandito na sa Philippines. I can't wait to taste the meatballs. yes, this is my food. I ordered 4 pieces of chicken wings, a marinated salmon, and 12 pieces of meatballs. And for these 3 items of food, it cost me 653 pesos. So yes, tikman na natin yung food nila. This one is a very popular one. It's the Swedish Meatballs. I love the meatballs. Same taste ng nakainan kong IKEA restaurant sa other countries. This is a must try and a very popular one. And it's one of their best seller. This marinated salmon is really tasty, especially with lemon. Swedish loves salmon and very popular sa Sweden ang salmon actually. Masarap yung marinated salmon nila, medyo nakakabitin. So, sa mga mahihilig sa salmon dyan na marinated, order kayo ng 2. Fried chicken wings, I think it's okay. It's basic. It tastes good. But hindi yung ina-expect kong lasa. So, for me, okay lang yung chicken nila. Hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung fried chicken wings nila, but I definitely enjoyed the meatballs and also the marinated salmon. For a total of 653 pesos, sulit naman and busog ka na. Overall, it's great experience and the food is good, tastes good, mabubusog kayo and you will enjoy it. I really recommend this restaurant. Here's the full menu with price. Thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And do check out my playlist and also other videos here in my channel. Goodbye and see you again to my next vlog.